15 Best Holiday Gift Ideas for Your Best Friends. The 15 of the best blessing thoughts for present-day people. Welcome to a box. The quiet was future very rich people come to get enlivened. It's that mystical season of the year where you open up your wallet to make everyone around you upbeat. If just for a brief time frame, we figure the vast majority could use a few directions with the blessings they offer this Christmas season. We recall that it is so difficult to pick something that would truly be helpful. Also welcomed disregard for purchasing socks, sweaters, ties and that scent. Forget-me-not. Searching for the closest companion blessing that says the closest companions always, and don't you overlook it, without being crude. This memento is the ideal mix of wistfulness and fine adornments. Slide in a revolting photograph of you two and you're ready. This blessing is likewise sweet for significant distance, the closest companions. This is just a flex. If your closest companion as of now has 2 AirPods, however urgently needs a case, catch them an adorable little Bulgari headphones case for a fun, not exactly unpretentious flex. Chill out. Got a companion that continually appears to be pushed, or would you say you are that companion? Get them one of the numerous CBD items that have cleared the market over the most recent couple of years. CBD skincare is astonishing, however anything can be mixed with CBD, so there's an item out there for everybody. Friends forever. Recollect those beautiful armbands we wove for our companions at day camp? On the off chance that you and your bestie need a physical token of your bond as a coordinating closest companion blessing, level up with an adult closest companion blessing like this charming Gucci one. You like my hair? Hair accessories are back and better than ever. If you've got a friend who loves to accessorize and stays on top of the latest trends, these pins are the perfect best friend gift idea. They even say friend on them, and with 2 of them, this doubles as another cute matching gift if you so desire. A very tiny bag. We as a whole have a companion who's super into mainstream society. They likely posted an image of her and her little Valentino sack at the AMAs, or one of the many little Lizzo enormous pack photoshops. Tragically, Lizzo's sack was a custom Valentino collaborate with obvious plant. However, don't stress, Jacquemus disclosed a similarly small packet design weeks sooner this year, in a rainbow of hues. Feeling euphoric? Consistently, yet on the off chance that you have a companion who cherished Euphoria's cosmetics practically more than the show, make them something to reproduce the notorious looks. The Lemonheads LA is a very cool independent brand whose space paste sparkle gels are all over Instagram. I've needed to attempt these for quite a long time, and Euphoria Cosmetics craftsman Daniela Davy used this item to make Rue's extraordinary shimmering tears. Thanks, Rihanna. Causing your companion to feel stunning is perhaps the best blessing you can give, particularly if your best for a friend isn't one to purchase that stuff. On the off chance that they slobbered over the Savage X Fenty style show, who am I joking, we as a whole did, the most energizing closest companion blessing will rouse their internal Bella Hadid while you exploit those astounding VIP Cyber Month deals. Get me out of here. A definitive closest companion blessing is one you can share. Blessing your bestie for an encounter you both will always remember, a young ladies outing. This new year, get away from the breeze and snow by making a beeline for Tulum together. Sidestep the jam-packed retreats for a more stylish and loosened-up involvement with the cutest little boutique inn. Investigate the ravishing seashores and the core of downtown Tulum, and remember to go see some dazzling verifiable destinations while you're there. Last Christmas I gave you my heart. Rom-coms are best found following in some admirable people's footsteps, so in case you're needing a late closest companion present, take your companion to supper and a film at the most pleasant theater you can get. You can go through the night chaotic crying over Last Christmas and asking each other when you'll discover the Henry Golding to your Emilia Clarke. Relax. If CBD isn't sufficiently able to loosen up your worried closest companion, book her a self-care meeting at Chill House. You can pick any medicines you need, so you can tailor the ideal spa sesh to your companion's needs. That is the ideal closest companion blessing. Naughty or nice? That's the short and long of it. No, yet I will. This naughty or nice wine coming on the schedule will make for a fun, read, drunk, battle about which one of your baddies may be on the shrewd rundown this year. When you make sense of who gets which box, appreciate a decent night in and drink your cute occasion vials mindfully.